In last class, we have already covered first question of a real number exercise 1.1. Now we are going to take second question. So in second question, we need to find Euclid's division algorithm. Actually we need to find the SCF using Euclid's division algorithm. So let us revise what we do exactly is we have to given these two numbers, okay, and we need to find out SCF. Okay, we need to find out SCF of these two numbers with the help of Euclid's division algorithm. Okay, so what we generally do, we need to divide bigger number with a smaller number and until we get 0 as a remainder. Let us see, and once we get 0 as a remainder, the divisor is called the SCF of these two numbers. Let us do so. Let me divide it 196 38 2 2 and 0. This one I'm dividing. Okay, so here it will come like 196, and now what it will give, it will give us 186, and then this 2 comes here. I think it will go with the help of 9 and 6417. Okay, when we divide this one, it will give us 98, and this 0 comes down here, and if we take like 5 it will give us 980. Okay, so in first division itself we got 0 as a remainder, so we can say that this 196, okay, so we can say this 196 is the SCF. So we can conclude here SCF of 196 and 38220 is 195. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let us